In this session, I will explain how to protect your document by others, from others. That means once your document is finished, you can protect the document with a password. Others can open but they can't change your document. So, in Review tab, you have Protect Group options. So, under this Restrict Editing is one of the option. Here you have formatting restrictions and editing restrictions. So, first one, suppose limit formatting to a selection of styles, and you can select these settings also. You can select or deselect these if you want to allow or disallow to them. Okay, checked styles are currently allowed to restriction. By restricting formatting to the styles you selected, you prevent the ability to modify styles. Okay, I keep them as it is, and then you can go for editing restrictions. This option also you need to select. Under editing restrictions, you have no changes, read only option is available. And if you want to put, suppose if you want to select comments, so then others can comment on your document. And if you want to select track changes, others can track changes. And filling in forms. So like that, if you don't want any changes in the document, then select no changes, read only option is available. After that, select groups. So this is for everyone, one group is available, and if you have some more groups, you can select other groups as per your company needs. What are the users created by the administrator? Accordingly, you can select the groups. So here everyone is available for all. So I am selecting everyone. Then start enforcement option is there. Start enforcement option. Yes, start enforcing protection. So, if you click on this, immediately it will ask for password. You have to remember this password. Suppose I am giving something ABC as a password, and again confirm the password ABC. Okay, finally set OK. That's all. So, now see, if you go for home, all options are disabled. See, all options disabled. If anybody wants to change anything, they can't change. Suppose if you can close this one. Yes. And open the file again. This is the recent file. See, all are in disabled mode. If you want to enable them again, then stop protection option is available. Then give the password, same password. Suppose anybody is giving some other password, XYZ I am giving. See, password is incorrect. Stop protection, I am giving ABC as original password. See, automatically all options enabled. So like that, you can protect your document from the other users.